Did NASA's James Webb Telescope discover that our universe might exist inside of a black hole? Kinda, but emphasizes on that might. So the JWST took images of these space. So these are all galaxies and they're extremely far away and extremely old, forming just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang theory. Researchers at Kansas State University started looking at how those galaxies were spinning, and they found something odd and weird. They found about 2/3 of the galaxies were spinning clockwise, and about 1/3 of them were going the other way, counterclockwise. Now that's strange. If the universe was totally random in all directions, like flipping a coin, you'd expect something closer to a 50-50 split. So the fact that it's not might mean something funky was going on when the universe was just getting started. Now here's the part that you might not have heard. The farther away and older the galaxies were, the stranger this imbalance became. In other words, the spin bias got more noticeable the deeper into space they looked, which means it's also looking further back in time. So this isn't just a right now thing, it might be baked into the way the early universe was behaving back then. That's one of the reasons some scientists are asking big questions, like what if the whole universe was spinning at the very beginning? And if that's true, one way it could happen is if our universe actually formed inside a spinning black hole, which sounds like science fiction, but it's a real theory that some physicists are actually exploring. The idea is that black holes in a larger universe might butt off little baby universes, and if the black hole was spinning, that spin could carry over to the new universe, ours, which would mean we might be living inside a black hole, inside a much larger universe. But again, this is just one possibility, probably out of a million other theories. And there are other explanations too. For example, maybe the way we observe light affects what we see. Some researchers think galaxies that spin in the same direction as Earth's rotation might appear brighter, making them easier to detect. And by the way, our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is actually in the minority group. It spins counterclockwise. So, is the universe spinning? Are we in a black hole? Or is this just all a trick of how we're seeing ancient light? Right now, nobody knows for sure, but it's the kind of mystery that could shake up everything we thought we knew about space. And it's definitely something scientists are going to be paying way more attention to in the future.